What's going on, guys? Welcome back to The Right Way. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to tag someone in your Instagram story. The first thing you want to do is head on over to Instagram. Make sure you're on the Instagram homepage and tap your story. You can take a photo now or upload something you have in your gallery. Once you've got the image, tap once on the screen, start with the symbol @, then start typing out the user of the person you want to tag in your Instagram story. Now this guy, guys, I am begging you, if this video gets a lot of views, you have to go to his page and spam his comments and just go crazy, say some weird stuff like pancakes, ponies, and hello from the right way. That'd be absolutely insane. When you're ready to upload, press done and the person will be notified that you tagged them in your story. Anyway, that's it for today, guys. I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash that like button, and if you're new here, what are you doing? You have to hit the subscribe button, join The Right Way, and I will see you in the next video. If you guys need the username of the guy I asked you to spam, basically, it's in the description, so just check it out there and you can copy it into Instagram.